Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the OneUi 9 release date for the Samsung Galaxy mid-range series, which is the A series. So the OneUi 9 update is a major update with the latest Android 17, and you will be getting this update on the A series as well, including the Galaxy A50 series, A57, A56, A55, and in the A30 series, A37, A36, A35, in the A20 series, A26 and A25, A17, A16, A15 and A07 is also included. Talking about the Galaxy A34 and 54, so that should also be included as that were released in the 2023 and Samsung supports 4 years of update. But they were not mentioned in the tentative device list of the Phone Arena, but it was available in the tentative device list of Semi fans. I think it should be released on the Galaxy A34 and 54 as Samsung supports 4 years of major software updates, so according to that, it will be available on these two smartphones. If we talk about the changes, so you will get to see some new tweaks in the control panel and some other minor details in the settings as well. I think the OneUi 9 update will be only the enhanced version of the OneUi 8.5 update with some small tweaks. There will be no as such major changes available. One change that I really want is the improvement in the battery. I really want some new improvements in the battery timing. That will help a lot. With the new software, you might get to see some optimizations, and with that, you might get to see some better battery life. And obviously with the new major update, which is the OneUi 9, you will get to see the Android 17 update along with it as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a short video to inform you about this device list of the Samsung's A series. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.